Hello, another small video about the Uniform 3D editor app. It's about snapping, distance snapping, rotation, angle. So let's see. So this is our object here. And so I use here the transform, and at the moment, so I can free rotate this whole thing, but there is no snapping. Okay, snapping you can activate. So here is the overrides panel here, and you can add here modules, and the overrides affect all tools. So also the move, the clay, and so on. So when I activate here the snapping, it affects here the gizmo. So now when I move here in this direction, so it snaps. And also the rotation, snapping like this. And in the overrides here you can change here the values for the distance and for the angle. Okay, so and it affects all tools. So when I choose now the move tool here, and I'm moving here, you see here it snaps. So, and here when I edit the tool here, you see here value snapping here is grayed out. So all other tools are grayed out. So when I delete here this override, delete, and edit the tool here, you see here this value snapping here is now highlighted or active. So you can press here on this setting here and set the snapping value to absolute, and then you get the same here, the angle step and distance step, and then it's the same as the override, but only for one tool. So here, this tool here, at the moment there's no snapping. Where is it? Tool stack, tool loader, brush overlay input. Yeah, okay. So then the move tool here, it snaps. So you have control. Like this. Okay, then you have to here reset the tool. So then it works, then the snapping is 0. Okay, and the other snapping here is the override snapping. So this one. And you can place here, so when you switch here to other slot here, then the snapping is off. So you can use here the transform without snapping and change the slot 0, then snapping is active. Where is it? like this. And you can also here delete the override. Okay, that's it so far. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.